In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set alerts for any Bank of America transactions. Whether you're keeping an eye on your account for security reasons or just want to stay on top of your balances, setting up alerts is a straightforward process that we'll walk through together. First, you'll want to open the Bank of America mobile banking app on your device. It's crucial to ensure your app is up to date so it functions optimally. Once that's done, sign in using your online ID and passcode. Always remember to keep your login credentials secure to protect your account. After you're logged in, you'll need to locate the menu, which is represented by three horizontal lines or the icon on the home screen. Tap this menu icon, then scroll down through your options until you find Alerts. This is where you'll manage all notifications related to your account activity. Next, go ahead and tap Manage Alerts under the Alerts section. You'll be presented with a variety of categories to choose from. These typically include security alerts, balance alerts, card alerts, and bill pay alerts. For this tutorial, let's focus on security alerts, which are essential for keeping your account protected. Tap on Security Alerts. In this section, you can enable notifications for several types of security-related activities. These include alerts for unrecognized device logins, any changes to your password or profile, suspicious transactions, and failed login attempts. Selecting the right alerts can make all the difference in safeguarding your finances. Once you've decided which security alerts suit your needs, it's time to choose how you'd like to receive them. Bank of America offers several methods, including push notifications directly to your mobile device, emails, and text messages, or SMS. It is often a good idea to select multiple options for receiving alerts. This redundancy helps ensure you never miss a notification, thereby enhancing your overall security strategy. With your preferred method selected, take a moment to review all your choices. This step is crucial to ensure everything is set according to your preferences. Once everything looks good, tap Save or Confirm. By doing this, you activate the alerts instantly, ensuring you're notified of any security-related activity on your account from this point onward. And that's it. You're now set up to receive alerts for any Bank of America transactions affecting your security. It's a simple yet effective way to stay informed and maintain peace of mind about your financial safety. Remember, keeping track of your financial transactions is key to protecting yourself against unauthorized activities. Thanks for watching and happy banking!